Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
Reasons to choose. Well-dressed locals and world-class luxury boutiques choose Sudsies for alterations for several compelling reasons. 1. Unmatched expertise in couture and luxury garments, extensive experience. Sudsies' alterations team has over 100 years of combined experience working with the most complex couture and luxury garments. Whether it's intricate hand stitching, innovative garment constructions, or delicate fabrics, Sudsies seamstresses are highly skilled and capable of handling the most challenging alterations. This level of expertise is crucial for luxury boutiques and discerning clients who require precise and flawless results.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.